Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Angel if you're new here. Thanks for coming. And if you're not new here, thanks for coming back. Today I have an unboxing of this, let me try to pronounce this, Coscelia? It says manicure and makeup kit. This was given to me, so I'm not sure where it was purchased from. I think Amazon, because this is where I bought this name brand from there before. It comes with a cuticle stick, and I actually did use this earlier today, so that's why it's open. It comes with a file, 100, 180. That's just the box for the cuticle oil. Let's see what's in this bag here. Okay, so the first thing we have is some alcohol swabs. Actually, it says nail cleanser on them. Stickers for swatches, I guess. A few little rhinestones here. And we have the booklet. And I do see that it has a UV LED light lamp in here. And it's just the directions and precautions and all that kind of stuff. I was just looking to see if it had any wattage on it, but it doesn't. Cuticle pusher, nipper, dotting tool. Oh, and we have some nail remover pads as well. And these actually look pretty neat. We have some toe thing separators and some stickers here. Oh, they're stapled together. So we have some gold bows, and this does say 3D nail sticker on it. We have some French tip tape. Well, actually those are for the V's. There's the Frenches. And some more 3D stickers there. And a pair of clippers. And we do have a brush, cord for the lamp, and the lamp here. There's only 12. Okay, so this is a 36 watt lamp. And we have some polishes here. And we also have a guide if you'd like to read up on it. And yep, that's it. I'm not going to bother plugging in the lamp. We've all seen lamps before. But I will get to swatching. I'm not sure what this kit is actually called. See if it says on the box. No, it doesn't. No. Anyway, we'll see what kind of colors we have here. Oh, there's 2 to a box. So these are 10 mils each. Plastic containers. I'm going to use my double-sided swatches just to get rid of them. Okay, so the first color we're going to swatch is 78. And actually, this looks like it's going to be sparkle. Some glitter polish here. So some silver, it looks like. Alright. It doesn't look too bad. It's very glittery. Doesn't smell too terrible. And this one is another glitter by the looks of it. And this is number 5. Oh, this is not glitter. This is a red. So we have a red, and that's number 5. Okay, next we have number 76. Okay, this is another glitter, and this is a really chunky glitter, really thick. Well, it went on pretty smooth for having really thick glitter. So I'm trying to see a pattern here. This was glitter, so I'm thinking the green ones, green flowered ones might be glitter. And this has a different flower on it, so this is number 56. Oh. It looks like we have a milky white. Or white-ish. Let's see. Yep. It's actually a pretty color. Let's see what we have next. Okay, we got a top coat. This actually feels sticky, like it was opened. And another Let's see if this is glitter. Yes, it is. And we have a purple syrupy color with glitter. It's actually pretty. Got some hollow in there. It's got big glitter and little glitter. Trying to keep these in order. Okay, I'm just going to cure those and I'll be right back. Okay, let's see what we got in the next one. Actually, I'm going to take a second and mark these. 78. So that's what we got so far. Pretty colors. Alright. Next we have 41. We got a nude or a mocha. No, a nude. It's fairly neutral. It's pretty. I'm going to mark them as I go. 51. Oh, got a fuchsia here. Pretty sheer. So we've got a base coat. This is number 4. We have a black. Pretty good coverage. It's actually pretty thick. Last box. Alright, let's do this one. This is 50. 50 and then 63. I'm having trouble describing this color. It's like a muted, I don't know, what color is that? It was really thick. So this is 63. Oh, we got another glitter. And this is a pink glitter. Pretty. This glitter is really pretty. Alright, so that's it. I'll have to do a set and use them, see how they actually are. They actually seem pretty thick, that I think you could probably use it as, maybe as liner, and might be good for stamping. I'll just give those a cure and I'll come back and show you all the colors. Alright, so we're back and this is the final colors. So it's a pretty basic kit with the black, red, white, couple silver glitters and some neutrals and a purple thrown in. Pretty pretty good for, I mean, a basic kit for variety. I actually really like this sheer white, and I am in love with this glitter here. That is gorgeous. Very nice. Well, friends, thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I'm going to do a set soon and see how these pan out. So this was the Coscelia box kit, and comes with 10 colors and top and base coat and a lamp and all these little goodies as extras, which you can't have enough stickers, you can't have enough gems, and you know, the basics to get you going. Alright, till the next video, bye.